Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I learn how to create this type of poster design in Canva. Before start the video, subscribe to my channel for more creative design ideas. So let's start. Go to your Canva dashboard and click on create design, search for poster, select this poster portrait A2 layout. Now go to element section and type circle and choose this circle from graphics. Place in center. Now drag this image of Tony Stark. Remove the background. Resize this image and place like this. Adjust this image over the circle. Now change the color of circle. Now go to element section and search for white blur. Go to graphics and choose this. Place this blur effect over the image and set like this. You get a blur effect. Duplicate again and place here. Now again drag the second image of Tony Stark. He is standing like this. Crop the image, resize and place like this. Place this image over the all images. Now go to element section and search for shadow effect. Choose this shadow. Place near the shoes and send it to back. Again duplicate that shadow and again send to back. Now go to text. Click on add heading and write Tony. Again duplicate and write Stark. Now go to font style and search HABRID. Copy that font style and paste on Stark. Place here. Select the font size 110. And same to Stark. Now press Alt R and you get a rectangle. And place this rectangle middle of Tony Stark. Change the color. Same color as a circle. And write add subheading and write Iron Man. Place in middle of rectangle. Choose the font style COPPERPLATE GOTHIC 32 BC. Place in middle. Set the font style 85.6. So our poster design is ready. Download this image. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.